Hi guys, Paul Swaby here, the Vegan Spicer. I hope you are all feeling well today. So, continuing on with my transitional meals, previously we've done a tikka masala, we've also done a sweet and sour tofu, but I'm happy to say today we're going to do a cheeseburger, but not just any cheeseburger, a Green Force cheeseburger. Now, I guess some of us are familiar with Honest Burgers and Beyond Burgers. I remember the first time I had one, I actually complained to the waitress that this was a meat burger, and she said to me, absolutely no, 100%, it's a plant-based burger. So there are some great ones out there, but today we're going to be doing a Green Force cheeseburger. Now these guys do an absolutely amazing product, so let's get to it. What do you want from a good burger? You want TFT, texture, flavor, and taste. Let's see what we got. TFT, texture, flavor, taste. To the people at Green Force, amazing job. This is absolutely beautiful. I thank you. Yummy. Enjoy everyone. Peace. Guys, please like and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell for new recipes. Thank you. Have a good day.